English Essentials, Understanding, Socket Screw, in a Snap. Hello and welcome to English Essentials. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, socket screw. This term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together, making it easy to understand and remember. So, let's get started. A socket screw is a type of fastener. Unlike regular screws, it has a cylindrical head and is designed to fit into a recessed part or a socket. It's often used in machinery and electronic devices for a cleaner look and a tighter fit. Every socket screw has three main parts: the head, the thread, and the drive. The head sits above the surface and can be of different shapes. The thread is the spiral part that helps the screw stay in place. And the drive is the part where you insert a tool to turn the screw. There are several types of socket screws, such as socket cap screws, socket set screws, and socket shoulder screws. Each type has a specific use, depending on the strength and accessibility required in the application. To use a socket screw, you'll need a tool like an Allen wrench or hex key. These tools fit into the drive, allowing you to tighten or loosen the screw with precision. It's a simple process that ensures your fixtures are securely fastened. And that's a wrap on socket screws. They may seem daunting at first, but they're just specialized screws with unique features for particular tasks. We hope this video has illuminated the subject for you. Stay tuned for more English language learning tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you next time.